Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's 5 in the morning and I'm doing this voiceover, so my voice is a little, you know, suba suba wali. So please don't mind that. And today I'm gonna show you how to create this beautiful glamorous look. I more so wanna call it a teenage party glam because I really get those vibes with this. So I'm gonna use this Los Angeles eyeshadow palette and use the darkest shade to do my eyebrows. I have not shown you how to do it because then this video will be 10 minutes long. So yes, I'm now going to prime my eyelids using this Sugar Cosmetics concealer. Everything will be mentioned in the screen and in the description. Recently I've started using these kinds of brushes to blend out my concealers and it really works like magic. Like the coverage is insane. Also, I've set my lids with the powder and now I'm gonna use this burnt orangish shade from the palette and gonna use this as my transition shade. It's a really beautiful burnt orange shade. I'm just gonna use some circular motions to blend that out. I always wanted to do like a glamorous makeup tutorial for my teenage girls out there because a makeup tutorial is, to be honest, missing on my channel. So I'm really happy that I'm doing it now. So I'm using the darkest shade from the palette again and packing it up on my eyelids because I really liked the way it looked, and using this Romy liner from Los Angeles and creating a very thin liner. Also using the mascara from the same brand. It's actually a decent mascara, I would say, but you have to wait till it dries up. You cannot do anything else until it dries up. So I'm gonna use my favorite primer now, which is the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, and this I always recommend to all the teenage girls out there. Always mix your foundation with any sorts of radiance creams. Your skin will look like a glass skin, trust me. So you'll see the difference once I start blending the foundation out. It gives you a very skin-like finish, a glass skin-like finish, like your skin but better. So yes, don't forget your neck while applying the foundation. That's very basic. Now you'll see the difference. Like you'll see how nice my skin looks once the foundation is blended. Just look at that. Like I just love it. I love this combination of Requil's Radiance Cream and the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. Oh my god, this is my favorite and I use it everywhere like I wanna go. So yes, just sharing my secrets out. And I'm taking the beauty blender from Los Angeles and just making sure that everything is blended in place. And now I'm gonna use the Sugar Cosmetics concealer again. I love this concealer. It's very creamy and blends out very beautifully. So I'm gonna use very little amount on the high points of my face, as you can see. And again, I'm gonna take this fluffy blending brush. I actually got these brushes from Shein a long time ago and I love the way they perform on the skin as eyeshadow brushes, even as my face brushes. I sometimes use this as my highlighter brushes. Like they are very versatile. And now I'm going to take this Los Angeles lipstick and it's a very beautiful shade. I'm just putting it at the back of my hand, taking the beauty blender and putting it as my blusher. As you can see, the color is so pretty. And now I'm using this chiseled color wheel from Los Angeles again and just making sure that everything is set in place using this brown bronzer shade from the same palette. And I recently love this shade from the James Charles palette as my blusher, so I just can't stop using it. And yes, taking the same burnt orange shade on my lower lash line, using the same mascara and putting it up on my lower lash line. And this mascara is really nice for the lower lash line. You can see how big my eyelashes look. Big nail long, sorry. Now I'm just going to set everything in place using this fixer. And this, oh my god, you guys, this is magical. You'll see how pretty this looks as my highlighter. Like this is a total party glam. Like this is glitter highlighter. If you're into that extra glam, then this one is for you. This is not like one of the plain highlighters, but this one is like a Coachella kind of a highlight. It was actually made for the eyes, like for a eyeshadow, like metallic eyeshadows, but I use it as my highlighter and I think that looks very pretty. Oh my god, you can see how good my skin looks and the makeup. I am in love with this makeup. I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna recreate this to go somewhere party. And yes, that was about it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video now. Bye.